Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the Lens family. Today, we're out here riding the ATV.
If you want to, but there's no bathroom. Just turn on the engines, please.
You gotta keep going. You cannot stop. You gotta keep going. Don't be scared. You too. I don't know why you slow down. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep. You cannot stop. If you let go, it stops.
Oh, it is a stop.
Hold it. Wow, you're so cool, Billy. Go all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. Oh, shit. Come on, Billy. I live. All right, Billy. We go up here next. Somebody crashed. Somebody crashed into a tree. Just back up. Just back up. He's on a slope. That was fun, right?
You said I'm moving?
Yeah, that's why I say, hey, start drifting. You record. Go through the mud as fast as you can. What's that? Oh yeah, even better.
That's not allowed us to flew.
Yeah, he flew down there.
No! No! That's not all flew.
Yeah, he flew down there last time. Huh? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hold on, bitch. Hold on. You put Oh, he's here. He's coming. What Gordon? Oh yeah.
Feedback? Where's the restaurant at? She said ski, not oh.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
I'm trying to hit my vape the whole time.
Say hi.
I mean, like this, I was like, oh, bro, searching.
Say hi.
East.
Hi.
Huh?
And this is our instructor.
Hi.
Make sure you subscribe. Leave it as.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the Lens family. Today, we're out here riding the ATV.
If you want to, but there's no bathroom.
You're surrounded by nature.
Probably snakes here. So.
Oh, that was good. It's gonna bite you.
No.
I think you should stay last. You want to be last?
Yeah. You know.
Did you see the ones we have at the reception? We have 5 bottles.
Of Habusake?
Yeah. I actually made those.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, we should
You didn't see it?
drove out here.
I'll show you later if I remember.
Was there any chicken?
Chickens? Yeah, there actually is. There was one over there, but I haven't seen it in a couple days.
Okay.
I think that one. I think someone has it for a pet.
Oh, that chicken?
I think they ran away from the house.
Oh, that's good.
So we've been talking about like cooking it.
Yeah. Free meal.
Free chicken.
Free chicken.
Find your sleepers.
Because I went to a like agriculture high school, so like farming. Yeah, so my class actually had to like kill chickens and like take out their guts and stuff.
So you know how to.
Yeah, I know how to do it. So they've been asking me to do it. But like if we actually named it, we called it Maru because I think it's a girl, but she's pretty big. So if we call out her name, she just comes right at us. So I think she's actually someone's pet. So I haven't done it yet.
Okay.
Call out her name when we're driving.
Yo.
And then there was actually like a black, huge rooster. I think that one's the boss. There was actually one that was over there last week. I haven't seen him yet.
You got a chicken to me.
Hey, I got a bag for a reason, right?
Hey, Maru Bardi
You guys want to go try the mango fruit off of it?
Oh.
Careful. Yeah, but that's the tree of
Oh.
And then this is the cinnamon tea.
You can eat it?
Yeah.
I'll try this shit.
Make sure you guys take the green leaves off, like this, dark green color, so you guys can take it off. Make sure there's no poop in it.
Yeah, you. Me.
This one's
I tried it.
I know.
There you go. I got you the darkest ones I could find. She said the darker the better.
so you gotta take the clean ones.
I have shades on. I can show. When you say clean, the ones without the holes.
You can eat it.
Yeah, and so this one's good.
I see.
Sweet.
There you go. You can eat the front.
It is cinnamon leaf. It tastes like cinnamon.
Eat it like that.
Cinnamon leaf.
If
These
you
up
don't
on you.
want to eat it, just fold it in half and scrunch it and just smell it.
Lick the.
But if you're okay to eat it, just chew on it.
Are you shocked, Nat? Are you shocked?
Yeah.
Let's say you let's say you were stranded. There's no food, but you're starving. And you eat this, would this like get you by the leg?
Not
I don't
much.
think they're
All over the leaf.
You gotta swallow the leaf too.
It tastes like
Start eating the tree too.
Hey, Zo.
like
The
Yeah, bro.
whole tree has the same flavor, basically. Yeah. So I guess if you like gnaw on the bark, I think you'll get full. I guess.
I think if you crush it into like
bark.
little things, and you can use it for like seasoning.
Yeah. So they actually, have you seen the cinnamon sticks?
Yes.
It actually comes from the bark of the tree.
Like this?
These?
Yeah, the skin of the tree.
So what's the process?
So
Nothing.
this one's a different species, but the ones you guys use, they like skin the tree and then leave it out to dry. It'll make it curl up, and then to make it become the powder, they just like shade it, like, grind it, and then yeah, that's the powder you use. But this one, we actually use the branch or the leaves to make chai, or some people put it in whiskey, like I told you.
Oh yeah.
And then a lot of people put it in like sweets, like cakes, cookies. It smells pretty good.
And then they smoke
Is that a
it. Too.
forklift?
I don't know if you can smoke it.
Hey, so
No, they smoke.
Oh
it.
no, that's a
They pour the
excavator.
whiskey in.
that's a little digger.
They
Excavator.
burn something like apple woods and stuff.
Oh, really?
Well, it tastes like
On
when
top.
This one?
This one too.
No, it's like real cinnamon.
Go no.
I can't reach it.
Got this.
Little
Small.
chips and you like
Wood
burn
chips.
it, yeah,
You
and the
burn
smoke
it
goes
on
down.
top. Yeah, you let the
Yeah.
smoke run down.
Yeah.
And I guess it adds flavor and scent to the drink.
Well, that's cool.
I'm gonna try that.
You guys have coffee beans, coffee tree too, right?
Oh yeah, you want to take a look?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
This is all coffee.
You got coffee?
That. This is mango. Yeah, mango tree. They took the mango down. I know. I was gonna get one.
So you gotta wait until November. So that's when the picking season.
Do they turn black?
No. If it
What
turns
is
black,
it?
it gets rotten.
Brown.
This coffee berry.
Oh, coffee beans.
Yeah.
Coffee
So once it's ready, the beans are on the inside. It doesn't taste smell like
They
coffee.
smell like anything.
And then that color actually turns this color, bright red or bright yellow.
So when it's ready, you just like pluck it, put some hot water.
No.
Stop!
Yeah, open it up and then just roast it.
Oh, okay.
But before that, we have to dry it.
Okay. Yeah, I thought
Yeah,
this
you
was
gotta
the
dry it. And then, have you guys been in the cafe yet?
Not yet. I'm gonna stop by afterward.
Oh, really?
This
You
is gonna
guys-
be my deodorant.
Oh hell no.
You can take the whole branch off if you want. And then, have you guys tried the coffee here yet?
No. I wanna try it when I get back.
So there's the most expensive one, which is only using the beans grown here. It's 1 cup. I think it's the same size as the cups we use for the tea. It costs 2,500 yen.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
If it's too expensive,
Discount.
Yeah.
I recommend the coffee tea. They make it out of the leaves. Yeah, it tastes
Coffee tea.
pretty good. Yeah. And it's good for your skin, so it's popular.
Does this have a flavor?
Eat it, Zo. Eat it.
What do you mean?
I don't think it does. You can eat it. They don't use any pesticides. Nothing's bad on it.
Unlike Americans.
But don't sue us if.
You signed the consent form, though.
He's gonna fall over.
It smells weird. It doesn't smell like the other one. It smells very
Like
acidic.
weed.
Even
Smell
if
like
you
leaf?
taste it, I don't think it's gonna taste like coffee.
Okay.
And then, do you guys know how much coffee we can make out of one tree? How much?
Like bottle or
1 cup. How many cups?
500 cups.
500? What about you guys? What do you think?
1,000?
1,000?
300.
300?
I say 50.
50?
About 5.
No way.
5?
Maybe come on.
So actually,
like-
you're the closest.
See?
So out of one tree, you guys can make 12 to 20 cups.
No,
No,
So
that's
that's
why
why
it's so
they're trying
expensive.
to like plant more coffee trees. Yeah, which is crazy.
Well,
And
they
if they
They
have,
have to pick by hand when
yes,
this is right.
everything.
That's a lot of
Oh,
work.
like the name, like
That's
the
why.
logo.
That's why it's expensive. They want the labor feedback.
It's
No,
nature.
that's right.
What do you use to grow this? Is it
That's not right, bro. That's dirt.
I think so. Yeah, the beans inside,
inside?
and then yeah.
Come
And
on, Rain.
It
Come
takes
on,
about,
Rain.
like 10 years to get this tall, I think.
Oh my gosh.
And then it
So,
keeps growing. It
Yeah, it
gets
was
up
here.
to,
We were here last time. We saw this.
And then it'll like have more, I guess.
Yeah,
So
more
do y'all chop it down?
Yeah, we have to chop it down because of like typhoons, strong winds.
Oh, that's why you'll
So
have
that's
to.
why they're only like 2 meters high, I think. And we have to trim the sides too, because for bugs, for no bugs.
So like hypothetically, let's say at night, right, when y'all are not here,
Mhm.
someone just comes up with a knife and just
Come on, though.
You technically can come here, but I think you'll get caught. I think there's cameras.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
the village.
I'm just saying, like, because it takes
in
like
the
10 years to
village.
grow, right? That's
Yeah.
like, you gotta spend another 10 years.
The village life is coming back.
Yeah, this is the mango tree.
Oh, did you say bingo?
There's no mango. They took the mango already.
Yeah, they already took it.
Oh.
If you guys like mangoes, they have mango juice and mango shaved ice. It's really good.
Fresh.
I want the mango.
You want to eat it?
They are.
Has a lot of fucking,
I love mango.
A lot of expensive mangoes in Okinawa.
So the tree only grows to this.
I'll go taller, like the one in
I think it
Thailand.
grows more. It's just,
Yeah, it grows more.
it's just
But,
covered up.
Yeah.
Like
The one in Thailand looks like an actual tree.
oh, really?
Yeah.
But I don't think this one grows that tall. Plus, I think the cafe people.
Which I think so far.
Not bad. It's good. It's fun.
We actually have a cacao tree. They actually planted it, I think,
The
6
cacao?
years. Like chocolate?
Cacao.
How?
Yep.
Sounds like dark chocolate.
I might just take these home.
You have to.
Yeah. That is sugar cane.
No. It's corn.
It's sugar cane.
Too small. Oh, I don't think.
It's awesome. It's all small.
I think this is what is
Lemongrass.
Have you seen this one before? This one in Okinawa, people say if you touch it, you'll get more money.
Ooh.
So a lot of people actually hug the tree because they love
Yeah.
money.
Does it work though?
Let's say hug the tree.
I don't know if it works for
Superstition.
me.
Find out, find out.
I was gonna say,
But it might
you,
do for
if you
you.
know anyone that touched it and got rich,
There was
try
actually
I'm not
someone
trying
on Google, they left a review for us.
Mhm.
They actually said right after they touched it, they went and
To the
bought like
casino?
the lotteries. Not a
they
casino.
that. Oh.
They actually got
No
like
wonder my hands might be itchy.
1,000 yen, I think. It's pretty.
Where can you do that? Okay.
I'm about to go all
There's
in on
lots of like little lottery like booths and like San
On 8? Oh yeah.
There's like small. It says I think lottery 7 or something. Yeah, it's like right outside of the building.
I
Pachinko.
might have to try it. $5 scratch ticket?
Hey, no, Zo. Go to the one of your base Pachinko slot.
The
No,
Pharaoh.
I can't go over there. It's too like, I don't know. It's too close to home.
And then if you guys like camping, this is the dead leaf. You guys can use the fire starting for like barbecues or camps. Campfires. No, don't do it right now.
It's fine. These are, green.
Let's do.
Start a wildfire.
No, it's raining. You can't start a wildfire in the rain.
Ooh, can you smell it? Smells like root beer.
That looks like oh fuck, I don't know what y'all call it. You know that sour?
Smells pretty good.
Don't talk about.
So I think they actually way back then they used this plant to make root beer. I don't know if they do right now.
That's why it
Smells
smells
pretty good.
Root.
Yeah, it's root.
Oh, it smells so
Where'd
sweet.
you get that?
From the ground.
Yeah.
You
So-
throw those?
For the
Nice.
when we go in the next
Yeah, smell
course, you guys can find it. It's like this small
It has
white
a
flower.
flower.
But the small it gets gone real fast.
Oh really?
You must be hungry.
Root beers?
You can take a village, you're out of a village.
Oh my god, it smells so sweet.
Smells good, right?
Yeah, I'm
A lot
just
of
smelling it till
Japanese
it's gone.
people. Japanese people don't like this smell
Oh.
because do you know sarumpasu? It's like if your muscle hurts, you put like a sheet on. It smells just like that,
Oh,
so
they-
people don't
It
like
smells
it.
like medicine to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you
But
not
that-
Japanese?
I'm half Okinawan and half American.
This should be cane, no?
This is a different species. It's not sweet.
Wait, is it true Okinawan in mainland Japan is like y'all are segregated?
Big ass wasp right there.
Way back then, yeah.
Okay.
But right now, some mainland people still make fun of us,
Oh, okay.
and a lot of Okinawan people don't like mainland people.
Yeah, I kinda feel like that. Yeah, the smell's gone.
So some people don't like being called Japanese.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of people be like, I'm not Japanese, I'm Okinawan. I'm
Yeah.
like, bro, what's the difference? I'm Okinawan.
It's like Hawaii.
You want to ride this one?
Yeah, we're
Alright, we move up.
Hawaii and the US.
Move up. Next one.
Well,
Yeah, move up.
yeah, I'm ready to get the bro. Get the boy. I want my fucking
Oh shit! Yeah, he would definitely get lost. Energy. Where'd they go?
Damn, bro. You gotta carry that out. Bro, this fat ass bug was following me, bro. You saw it, right?
Yeah.
Who got a vape on them?
Oh, it's still recording. But battery's almost dead.
Why you fucking?
Can you give it to him?
Cool. Oh, sorry.
What are you guys gonna do after this? Go back home or?
Wash my hands.
Jumping out.